Hi guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. This Compressor Combo Kit is a must-have feature for your garage. With its 6-gallon air tank capacity, it is cut out for all the light-duty operations like filing, nailing. Another plus point is how low maintenance this kit is because it has an oil-free construction. Most air tools need a 90 psi, but this boy here can run at a maximum pressure of 150 psi, thus giving you a significant margin. So, are you a home maintenance addict who always keeps affixing two parts together? This caulking gun will prove to be your best friend then. With its lightweight design and the best grip, you have to squeeze the trigger to dispense the sealant. And you are just one step away from sealing the cracks. Its small size gives you the liberty to reach the tightest places too. This super convenient tool is all here to step up your cutting game. It is electric-powered scissors, saving your energy and you need to put less strain. It provides you with a comfortable grip so that slippage accidents will not occur, and you can effortlessly carry out your design. The best thing about this tool is that it comes with a lockout switch, which is a prominent feature that minimizes any unintentional cutting incidents by preventing the device from accidentally opening. If you think that a couple of screwdrivers and a few screw nuts are all you need to tackle any technical issue, you are wrong. This toolkit displays a collection of tools that will help you open or dismantle any electrical device. And to keep all the stuff organized, there is a magnetic plate, so now no anxiety over misplacing screws. These compact yet powerful tool saws are ideal for cutting through hardwood and rigid metal sheets. It has a very small footprint and is very lightweight, so you can easily make cuts in difficult-to-reach places. On top of that, it has a safety switch, which you can turn on when not working, therefore protecting your fingers and other surfaces. This wire cup brush is the best match for removing light deposits of scale, paint, rust, and small burrs from resistant surfaces such as metal and wood. Plus, with this magical cup brush, you can reform your average grass trimmer. Just attach it firmly to your manual trimmer and you're all ready to remove herbs and plants growing on sidewalks and curbs effectively with this easy-peasy trick. This is 2022, where you do not have to carry dozens of tools with you. With this multifunctional water pipe wrench, you can deal with more than 90% of nuts fitted in your house plumbing. The incredible thing about this wrench is that you can easily fold it to reach small places with less distance leverage. Suppose you encounter some emergency repair work and are away from your home. This ultra-compact thin multi-tool is apt for such times. With its 30+ essential features, you can easily carry it around in your back pocket. From opening the can to puncture repair work, this bad boy will perfectly handle all the tough jobs that you throw at it. This versatile tool is of the utmost importance for all the professionals as well as beginner welders out there. This can attract any metal surface. It has an enormous holding force. It is simple to work with. You can easily adjust angles and hold metal projects together, so your hands are all free to do the thing they love: welding. This miniature marvel of technology is no longer than a pen. It is easily rotatable and is well manufactured to handle drill bits from 0.3 to 2 mm. This diameter makes it a fantastic accessory for all your hobbies and DIY projects where extreme precision is required. But you can also use this little man to drill small holes in wood, rubber and plastic. If you are still dealing with those old-fashioned manual screwdrivers, you really need to have some mercy on your wrists. This cordless screwdriver allows you to do a lot in less time with half the struggle. Do not underestimate it, as it has a handle that pivots into 3 positions, making it possible for you to reach all the tight spaces. Plus, it also has an LED light that helps you focus on the tiny rusted-in screws. Pulling out the tape line every time you have to measure a distance seems such a tedious task. With this multi-purpose laser level, you can easily measure with excellent accuracy, all thanks to its laser precision technology. Another attractive feature is that it provides readings in both metric and imperial systems, so you can easily switch to the one that best suits you. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.